If you have just installed the Vivaldi web browser, you may notice that when you visit a website, the color of the tab bars changes according to the color of the website. Since it changes color every time, that can be a bit distracting. Personally, I don't like this. I don't know why would anyone want this, and I don't know why it's the default. But fortunately, we can disable it. To disable this feature, click on the Vivaldi button on the top left corner of the window to show the main menu, then click on Settings. This will show the Settings dialog, then click on Themes. This is actually a feature of the default Vivaldi theme, so it's possible to fix it by simply choosing a different theme from this list. However, it's also possible to simply disable the feature in the default Vivaldi theme. To do this, we click on the Editor tab here, and here we'll find an option under Color Overrides called Accent from Page. This is going to be checked by default. If we uncheck it, then when we change tabs, the color of the title bar won't change anymore.